In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to present in Adobe Express. By the end, you'll know how to create or import your deck, design your slides, and present with controls that keep you in charge of the experience. Start by making your presentation. In Adobe Express, open the Presentation Maker and create a new presentation from a template or a blank canvas. If you already have a PowerPoint file, import it so you can keep your content while taking advantage of Express's tools. This gives you a familiar starting point with a polished finish. Next, design your slides. Add text, images, and media to each page. Keep your fonts consistent and your contrast strong so everything is easy to read on a projector or shared screen. Keep text concise and use visuals to support your message. If you're adding videos or animations, preview them inside the editor to confirm they look and sound right. Keeping media files reasonably sized helps ensure smooth playback when you're live. When you're ready to present, go to the top header of the editor and click Present. You'll see a few useful options. Present from first page starts your talk from the beginning, perfect for a full run-through or a live session. Present from current page starts exactly where you are, ideal for rehearsals or when you need to jump to a particular section. Presenter mode opens a separate window for your notes, if you've added speaker notes, so you can see prompts while your audience only sees the slides. If you're screen sharing, share the presentation window, not the notes window, to keep your notes private. Now set how your media behaves. Under Content Playback, choose Auto if you want videos and other media to play automatically as soon as you land on a slide. Choose Click if you prefer to start playback yourself. Auto works well for unattended displays or background loops, while Click gives you precise control when timing matters. During your presentation, use the left and right arrow keys on your keyboard to move between slides. This keeps your delivery smooth without hunting for on-screen controls. To direct attention, toggle the cursor highlight, the laser pointer, using the button at the bottom of the screen. Turn it on when you want to point something out, and off when you're done to keep the slide clean. Before you go live, do a quick rehearsal. Step through your deck, confirm media plays as expected with your chosen setting, and check that your notes appear in presenter mode. That's it. You're ready to present in Adobe Express with clarity and confidence.